To access the real ear to dial difference measurement, right-click the mouse to raise the home prompt and select Speech Map from on-ear or test box. Real ear to dial difference is defined as the difference between the real ear SPL measured by the probe tube microphone and the audiometer dial level that produced the pure tone stimulus. It can improve the accuracy of audiometric conversion of dBHL hearing thresholds to dBSPL when headphones are used for audiometry. This results in more individualized prescriptive targets. For on-ear and test box setup instructions, please refer to the Verifit2 user guide. To measure real ear to dial difference, first select the audiometry button within Speech Map. Select Headphone as the HL transducer. Upon selection of headphone, a real ear to dial difference drop-down menu will appear. To use average real ear to dial difference data, select Average. If real ear to dial difference measurements were conducted previously and you would like to use those values, select Enter. And if you're going to measure the real ear to dial difference, select Measure. Select the checkmark to continue. Enter the client's audiogram data by left-clicking in the graph area. Once the audiogram data is entered, select the checkmark to continue. A real ear to dial difference measurement screen will appear. To begin, click on Measure Real Ear for the left or the right ear. A list of measurement instructions will appear on the screen. Probe tubes should be positioned in the ear canals of the client within 5 mm of their eardrums. Probe Guide can be launched to assist with this task. And the headphones that were used for audiometry should be connected to the audiometer and placed on the client's ears. The audiometer must be set to produce 70 dBHL continuous pure tones. Click the green check mark to proceed to the measurement screen. To begin, present a 70 dBHL pure tone at an audiometric frequency until a chime sounds and the point is plotted on the graph, indicating the measurement point has been successfully captured for that frequency. If desired, the chime sounds can be disabled by unchecking the play sound on each measured tone box. Move the audiometer dial to the next audiometric frequency following the same process until all desired audiometric test frequencies between 250 Hz and 12.5 kHz have been measured. There are no minimum requirements for real ear to dial difference measurement frequencies. For any points that are not measured, the data points will be interpolated and/or extrapolated based on the measured points. Once you've completed the real ear to dial difference measurements, click the green checkmark to continue. Proceed to select Measure Real Ear for the other ear following the same procedure. If desired, you can use the copy button to transfer the data to the other ear. Be aware though that physical differences, including abnormal outer or middle ear status, will affect how accurately a copied real ear to dial difference measurement represents the client's other ear. If measurement data needs to be erased, you can select the Delete button to clear the real ear to dial difference measurement. For reference and comparison purposes, the average adult REDD is plotted as a dashed line. At any point, you can select the red X to cancel and go back to the previous speech map prompt. Or you can select the Help button to see the online help. Click the green checkmark to continue. Since there are measured REDD values for the right ear, they have been used to transform the audiometry data in speech map. The left ear uses average data, as REDD was not measured for this ear. The REDD values at each frequency have been added to the dBHL hearing thresholds and the dBHL UCLs to determine the client's dBSPL hearing thresholds and dBSPL UCLs. For more information on real ear to dial difference, please see the Verifit2 user guide.